To create the tiles, prefabs. The ones you'll be using are these here. D tile. D stands for draggable. So draggable tile with picture or draggable tile with text. It's possible you could have both, but I don't think that'll be useful. So here are my examples. I created this CPD is cyclopentadiene formula. So if we go to scene view, there we have it. Okay, so this was a D tile with text, and I just made the label. This is HTML tags. The sub means subscript, so this is a subscript 5 in the middle. This is a subscript 6 at the end. You can use this as your template and copy it to make formulas like this. So if I were to make a new one, I would start with D tile with text, duplicate, and maybe call this hexane formula. Okay, so now let's double click that so you can see it in the scene view. Text label, label up here in the hierarchy, and hexane, C sub 6 end subscript H sub 12 end subscript. Okay, C6H12. There we go. So that's how you can make a new tile to be used in the game. There it is, hexane. When you do this, on the right here, you see there's drag it 2D script. You need to say where does it go on the grid. So back in the game view, there should be a place for the formula of hexane. So let's imagine that it goes in column 2. Column 2 is hexane. Might as well show you what I mean. So let's make this second column be hexane. Here is the location of that tile. Text, just type in hexane. Alright, I took away the image, made 100% transparent. So the formula of hexane is going to go in this slot right here. Every one of these boxes has a code. I'll show you how that works. Tile 11 means row 1, column 1. Tile 12 is row 1, column 2. Tile 13 is row 1, column 3. You can see that goes up to 16, and the next one is 21. So 21 is row 2, column 1. That's the way the numbering is set. If the tile that I just made is going in this slot here, that should be 22. So go to my prefab. Down here under the drag it 2D script, correct position in grid, 22. So that's how you do it. Okay, now how about label tiles? So this could be a place where you put things that already are ready to go, right? It's finished, because you're going to have 36 tiles here that make it complicated. So let's just drag this over and put it in there. Okay. There's one of the 36 we need. Maybe you could even put these in there. They're ready to go. So that keeps things a little neater. Alright, so for this game I have made 3 of the 36 tiles. go back to prefabs to say, all right, if I want now to have one with a picture, D-tile with picture, duplicate it, give it a name. Give it then a proper picture under this. I double click it. I can now see there's a space for picture. Circle with a dot. I'd have to have already saved a structure for hexane here. You can just get them off Google and save them in this folder, and they'll be ready for you to put onto your tiles. Then make sure you say, okay, hexane line structure, double click, drag it to the correct position in grid. I'm hoping you see the line structure of hexane is position row 1, column 2. That's 12. All right, that's the way you do it.